1963. One submarine never returned.
Check the stress analysis on Sector Gamma. The weather simulation is volatile.
Confirmed. We have structural integrity. Mission is a go.
Look at her. After all this time, we actually did it!
Gauge pressure is stable on Section 4.
Acknowledged. We are clear to proceed with deballasting.
We need to ensure the bracing meets the exact specifications here. Looks good. The weld is holding steady.
Reading stabilized at .05.
Acknowledged. Proceed to next checkpoint.
A protective anti-corrosion coating is applied by the large spray rigs, restoring the original Navy color.
Here we see non-functional systems preserved purely for display. The electrical components have been stabilized using museum-grade conservation methods.
The ultrasound shows a clean seal on the repair.
Confirmed. The hull integrity is restored. Final approval initiated.
Or isn't it working? This 18th century map shows clear signs of water damage and ink corrosion. Through careful conservation techniques,
Our analysis highlighted critical stress at Joint 4. By introducing this redundant support, we've addressed the failure.
The Cold War was fought not just on land, but beneath the waves. This was the silent submarine race.
Navigation. Confirm the ascent plan. All indicators are green. Helm, prepare to surface on my mark.
He was truly a beloved community leader, and his legacy continues to shape the city he served.
The Phoenix Project, 18 months to completion. A triumph of modern engineering.
the engineering tolerances on this vessel represent a generational leap in deep sea exploration capabilities.